Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to change the brake pads for 2002 Mercedes-Benz C240. As you can see, the rotors is real bad on this, but the customer said he still want to do it. He replaced the rotor. Next time, the brakes is not going to last that long because the rotor is going to eat up real fast. So that's why it's good to get full ceramic and make sure you change your brakes before it hits metal to metal contact. But anyways guys, this one is pretty easy. As you can see, it have just one pin in the middle. It don't have no screws. So all you gotta do is knock that long pin that's in the middle with a hammer and have you could use like a flathead or universal screwdriver or flathead. Just take the hammer and hit that pin till you knock it out on the other side so you can release the brake pads. You can need some brake fluid as well. As you can see, the pin is right there, kind of stuck. Oh yeah, you're also going to need a good flathead as well to pry open push out that piston that's holding the brake pads as well. It's pretty easy guys, really easy. Almost got it. Hit it one more time and that long pin is gonna release and should have access to the brake pads. And this one is totally different on this Mercedes-Benz. All of them is not the same, some of them is different, but it's 2002. This is the rear brake. Oh yes, you might need some pliers as well. There you go, got it released. Alright, so we already got one out. Actually, we already removed the both of them. Still gonna need the flathead to push back in that piston. Slide it right in. And that was easy. That's one. Do the same thing to the other one. Should use the flathead to pry, push in that piston. Just slide that pad right in. Should go right in. There we have it. Put this little piece back in before we put back in the pin. It's real easy and real simple. Takes like probably about 5 minutes. Put that pin back in. Take the hammer, hit it a couple times. So they connect to the other side so the brake pads could stay in position. And you lock it back in. Make sure you go through the two holes. Take the hammer, hit it. Almost got it. And there you have it, guys. That's it. How easy and simple this is. That side is completed. And you could just easily put back on that tire. As you can see, the rotors is real bad. Need new rotors. And that's done with the first side. Could put the tires back on and finish. You start, do the same thing on the other side. Could put back in the lug nuts. Could basically call it a wrap. It's real simple and easy. When you finish with that side, finish putting on that tire, you can easily just go and start the other side, jack up the car. You can have a use a jack stand as well to have extra protection. Safety come first. Never forget that. Here we started the next side. Take some brake cleaner. As you can see, this rotor it looks perfect. And make sure you use the full synthetic, I keep saying full synthetic, full ceramic brake pads, so it will last you a longer time, guys. Wouldn't have no problem with that. Basically do the same procedure, knock that long pin out. As I said, you could use a flathead or a universal screwdriver. Just take the hammer and just knock it out. Takes about 5 minutes. If it's your first time, probably take a little longer time, but you'll get it. It's real easy and simple. There we go, that's release. Make sure you pry, push in that piston so you could take out the old ones. Take the old brake pads out and connect it and put in the new ones. Here we have it. Install the new one. Push in that piston so you could take out that older one. There you go, and then install the new one, guys. As you can see, that was real easy and simple. Push back in that pin, take the hammer and knock it in, guys. Make sure you get it through the loop. This one was basically more easier than the first one. Sorry about the little bad angle that I have right there that you guys couldn't really see. It was just he just trying to take the hammer and put the pin back in place, which is he got it. And there you have it, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. Easy and simple job. 2002 Mercedes C240 brake job on the rear end. Peace. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe.